The ultimate system in detectable warning solutions. Superior performance, exceptional value, and replaceable. Air evacuation channels eliminate air entrapment during installation to ensure full interface with concrete substructure. Hexagonal moulded forms for permanent interface between tile and anchor system. Fastener and anchor system comes pre-assembled, tamper-proof and countersunk. Stainless steel fastener sets flush with tile surface and provides for future replaceability. Concrete should be placed within an 80 to 100 slump. Measure, find and mark the centre point of the new concrete ramp. The vertical upright of the plus sign, directly below the access tile logo, marks the centre line of the tile. The new access tile should be installed as per AS NZS 1428 from the face of the curb. While the concrete is still soft, the access tile can be placed gently into its proper position. No material needs to be removed to install. However, vibration with a rubber mallet is the key. Start at the top and work your way to the bottom. And then start at the centre and work your way to the outside. Continue vibrating the tile with the rubber mallet until the tile is flush and even with the surrounding concrete. One final adjustment and the tile has been placed. Weight should be placed on the tile to hold it in place until the concrete has set. Create an edge around the perimeter of the tile using an edging tool. Traditional control joints should be installed. A light broom finish gives the ramp texture. Retrace your edges and joints. Then stand back and admire a job well done. Once the concrete is dry, you can remove the plastic with a utility knife.